Hello, beloved. Like many of you, I've had a rough and sleepless night. And I want to take a moment to talk directly to you, the vibrant and resilient members of the Black Gay Weddings family. As we navigate these uncertain times following the recent presidential election, I know that many of you are feeling anxious and fearful about what another Trump administration could mean for our community. The threats we face are real, and they can feel overwhelming. From potential rollbacks to LGBTQ plus rights to increased discrimination, we've seen these challenges before. However, I want to remind you that we are not alone in this fight. History has shown us that our strength lies in unity and our unwavering dedication to love and equality. Together, we have faced adversity before and emerged stronger because we refuse to back down. Now is the time for us to come together, to unite our voices and take action. We can engage, educate, and empower one another. Let's advocate for our rights, support our local leaders, and hold those in power accountable. Together, we can ensure that our community remains safe and celebrated. As we move forward, let's keep this in mind. Our love is powerful. Our determination is unmatched. The future may hold challenges, but it's also holding opportunities for progress. We will rally, we will resist, and we will rise together. So take a deep breath and hold on to your hope. We have the strength to face whatever comes next. Stand tall, support one another, and know that we will be with you every step of the way. In closing, for those who voted for this outcome, I leave you with this quote from James Baldwin. We can disagree and still love each other. Unless your disagreement is rooted in my oppression and denial of my humanity and right to exist. I'm Minister Lawrence Broughton, and this has been a BGW Community Inspiration.